Hey everyone, just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on since I haven't posted in a while. If you guys are able to see this video on Monday, November the 27th, it would mean that I have fixed my issue with my laptop right here, which is not that old. It's a Republic of Gamers laptop, 17.5 inch gaming notebook. That was pretty good back in its days. So what I've been doing is every time I try to edit a video so I can upload it, it would start to crash. And that would happen in both Linux and Windows. So if you guys don't know, what I've been trying to do is lately I've been trying to put together my new computer build. So this is my case. I did an unboxing but haven't been able to upload it yet. This is the Thermaltake View 21 or View 71 RGB. I think that's what it is. The Thermaltake View 71 RGB. This is the first thing I bought because the first things I take into consideration when I start to build my start to thinking about building a new computer is what kind of case or chassis I'm going to put my whole computer parts in. And inside this box is my motherboard and CPU already inside here. So I've been trying to just get the parts little by little. So the first thing I bought was the case, and then I bought the motherboard and my CPU together because Amazon had this really awesome bundle that had this motherboard, the exact one that I wanted, because it had all the lights RGB, and it came with the processor. So I didn't have the money to buy all the parts at once. I was trying to wait for Black Friday, and as you guys know, Black Friday has come and gone, and they didn't really have too many good deals on computer parts. Or actually, I didn't even see that many deals on computer parts as far as like graphics cards, memory, and things like that. I think CPUs they might have, but not on graphic cards or CPUs and power supplies and stuff like that. At least for the ones that I wanted. So here's my CPU. This is your AMD Ryzen Threadripper. Now the bundle that I was talking about came with the 1900X. It would have been nice if I could have gotten a 1950 or a 1920, but I got the 1900X, and that gets me into the X399. It was the cheapest way for me to get to use the X399 architecture from AMD. And this is Threadripper. It's a big old processor. So I got these two next. That was the bundle. And altogether, I think the bundle for me cost around a little over 800. The motherboard by itself, I think, was like this motherboard by itself separately will cost you anywhere between $380 to $400, and the processor at the time was like around $499 or a little over $500. So I got them both as a bundle, and I saved like I think $60. If you guys haven't been able to see my unboxing, this is the package that the Threadripper Ryzen processor came in. It came in this big old box. And inside of this you get like a driver CD and the torque screw for you to install the CPU with to the motherboard. And so right after I got this bundle, the processor and the motherboard, I got this. This is my CPU cooler. This is the Flow Ring from Thermaltake, Flow Ring 360. I also did an unboxing on this. I did an unboxing on all of these things so far, but I haven't been able to upload them yet because of my computer or my laptop not working good. So you guys should see an unboxing for these two, the processor and the Gigabyte motherboard, this Flow Ring 360, and also the unboxing for my case right here, and my Corsair Gaming 70 K70 gaming keyboard RGB. So the whole thing for my build was it had enough it had to have enough processing and graphics card power. Although I am learning that the CPU is more important when processing or editing, building a computer for video editing. The processor is more important than the graphics card. And so I should have gotten the Threadripper 1950 or 1920X and waited to get those on Black Friday, because I think on Black Friday they're almost 200 off for all of the AMD Threadripper processors, the 1900X, the 1920, and the 1950. And I don't know if you guys could hear that. I think I have to open up this laptop and clean out the fans, because I can hear the fan making some kind of noise. It's getting pretty noisy. So anyways, like I said, I've been trying to get my parts together. So one of the main considerations for getting the parts was to have enough processing power to also be able to future proof later on. And upgradability was also my consideration. That's why I got into the AMD Ryzen and the X399 chipset, because it was going to be their most powerful and most future-proofed so far chipset and processors. And it had to look good, because I have this case right here, which is all the sides. I don't know if you can see. They're all the sides of this Thermaltake case. If you see my unboxing, or if you watch any reviews on this case, all the sides are all tempered glass. So because everything was, all the sides, even up top here, is tempered glass. That means all of your parts are going to be able to be seen. Nothing is going to be hidden away inside of this case. And you guys could even see the inside right here through my plastic cover. So I wanted to make sure things would look good and would kind of match, I guess, as far as aesthetics go. So that's why I got this RGB keyboard. And that's why my CPU cooler is all RGB. This motherboard is RGB. The whole thing now is RGB, I guess. It's the in thing, I guess. I don't know. I like it. And now this stuff right here that I just got ordered on Black Friday is RGB. So let's take a look at them now. So here they are. I just ordered these on Black Friday, hoping that there would be some crazy good deals like what I got the last time I shopped on a Black Friday. So the last time I shopped on a Black Friday, I got this 50-inch Samsung SUHD 4K TV. for around $800, and the retail price for this Samsung when it was brand new was, back then I got it, it's probably like 2 3 years old now, maybe 4 years old. And so when I got it, if it wasn't a Black Friday, it would have been like um $1,100 or something like that, 1200 dollars. And I got this for around $850 from on a Black Friday. And this is a it's super nice. It has very beautiful picture, and I have it plugged and connected to my laptop right there. So yeah, the Samsung was the last one that I got on a Black Friday. That was super crazy good deal. Um, for computer parts though, weren't too many. I think there probably was good deals if I would have waited and just got a whole computer system. But when you order a computer system or a whole computer, you can't spec it out to how you want it exactly. Like you know, whoever you order it from. I was considering ordering from Main Gear or Origin PC. Um, they will only have like certain computer cases or enclosures that you can order, not the one that you would really want. And I really wanted a clear case, or at least close to as clear as possible. That's why I got that Thermaltake View. But enough of this rambling. If you guys are able to see this video, it's because I've been able to work out some issue with my computer. Not because I'll be able to fix this, because I still need my power supply and memory for the build to be final. But this right here should be my RAM and my video card. So let's open it up and unbox it. Okay, so let's recap what we got so far. I think I'm going to go in the order that I got them. So the first thing I got was the this Thermaltake View 71 RGB full tower case from Fry's. And then right here, I don't know if it was the flow ring first or the CPU and motherboard combo. I'm gonna say I got the flow ring now that I think about it. I got the Thermaltake flow ring 360 CPU cooler next. And then I saw on Amazon the Gigabyte Gaming 7 and the Ryzen Threadripper bundle. So that's the next thing that I got. And then after that, about a week ago, I got this keyboard. This is the Corsair K70 gaming keyboard, RGB. And I got this one at Fry's. It was a certified refurbished product, because by itself or brand spanking new, this keyboard would have cost me, when it was new, $170, and I got it for $95, $105 altogether, or $104 altogether with tax. So that's more than like $60 off, and it still has the same warranty as it has the warranty as the other as a brand new keyboard. And then after I got this keyboard, after the keyboard I got the Zotac GeForce 1080 Amp Edition and the RAM, the Corsair Vengeance RGB, on Black Friday. Even though there weren't really any good deals for video cards and memory, probably because some of these cards and memories, they're still having a shortage of them because of Bitcoin mining. So that's it. I have the case, I have the motherboard, the processor, the CPU cooler, the video card, and the memory. I do plan on buying another 16 gig or even 32 gigabytes more of this Corsair Vengeance, if all goes well and it's compatible. And then all I need now is what I'm gonna get is the Thermaltake Tough Power 1050 watt RGB. It's platinum. Yeah, it has a platinum. What do you call it? Efficiency rating. So efficiency ratings, there's bronze, gold, and platinum, I think. In the Thermaltake Tough Power 1050 watt power supply has a platinum rating, and it's got RGB, and it's got a 10-year warranty. So that's the next thing up, hopefully on Cyber Monday. And also the Samsung M.2 SSD drive, the Samsung Evo 960 Pro, which is I think I'm gonna get the 512 gig version. It's the one I can probably get. I mean, there's probably the 128 gig version or something, but I can afford the 512, but nothing more. The 512 gigs. So that's it. Hopefully, I'll be able to upload and edit this video so you guys can get it or see it at least by Monday or sometime this week of November the 17th. Anyways, everyone, take care, and we will see you again, hopefully, for another video. Everyone, take care, and have a great day.